Good morning, all of you. Today's topic is female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries along with a pair of oviduct, uterus, cervix, vagina, and the external genitalia. They are located in the pelvic region. Pelvic region, it means lower part of the abdomen. So these part of the system along with a pair of the mammary gland. So that is called female reproductive system. Now first of all we will see ovary. Ovary are the primary sex organ that produced the female gamete, ovum, and the several steroid hormones, which is called ovarian hormones. Ovary female का primary sex organ है. In this organ, gametes are formed with several ovarian hormones. The ovaries are located one on each side of the lower abdomen. Each ovary is about 2 to 4 centimeter in length and is connected to the pelvic wall and uterus by the ligaments. Each ovary is covered by a thin epithelium which encloses the ovarian stroma. The stroma is divided into two zones, peripheral cortex and an inner medulla. Outer part that is called cortex and inner part that is called medulla. Okay, so the oviduct it means fallopian tube. Oviduct, uterus and vagina constitute the female accessory duct. You know that the female reproductive system or male reproductive system consists of two parts, primary sex organ and secondary sex part. Okay, in the primary sex organ we studied ovary, and secondary part that is called oviduct, uterus, vagina. So these are called accessory duct, and accessory gland also present in reproductive parts. Okay, so each fallopian tube is about 10 to 12 centimeter long and extend from the periphery of each ovary. Look at the picture. ओके, पिक्चर में आपको फेलोपियन ट्यूब क्लियरली दिखाई दे रही है जो कि ओवरी के ऊपर की साइड दिख रही होगी. ओके, सो फेलोपियन ट्यूब कंसिस्ट of three parts here, divided into three parts: isthmus, ampulla and infundibulum. Infundibulum is the terminal femori-like part. In this part finger-like projections are present, that is called femori. These femores helps in the collection of the ovum after ovulation. Infundibulum leads to a wider part of the oviduct called ampulla. The part of oviduct, isthmus, this is the last part, okay, and has a narrow lumens and it joins the uterus. Uterus is a single and it is also called bombs. The shape of the uterus is like a inverted pear, है ना, आप शेप देख रहे हो वो pear shaped है और inverted. Now uterus is supported by ligaments attached to the pelvic wall. The uterus open into the vagina through a narrow cervix. Okay, कहाँ पर ओपन होता है? cervix में, यूटरस का जो टर्मिनल पार्ट है. The cavity of the cervix is called cervical canal, which along with vagina form the birth canal. ठीक है, जो सर्विक्स की कैनाल होती है उसे ही हम बर्थ कैनाल बोलते हैं, जो कि बर्थ के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होती है, यंग वंस की डिलीवरी में मेन रोल प्ले करती है. द वॉल ऑफ द यूट्रस हैज़ द 3 लेयर ऑफ टिश्यूज. द एक्सटर्नल थिन मेम्ब्रेनस that is called perimetrium, middle thick layer which is very smooth, so that is called myometrium, and the inner glandular layer Okay, it is very important, so that is called endometrium that lines the uterine cavity. The endometrium undergoes cyclical changes during menstruation cycle. ओके, menstruation cycle में जो cyclic changes होते हैं वो सारे changes endometriums की वजह से appear हो रहे हैं. While the myometrium exhibit strong contraction during delivery of the baby. तो इस प्रकार से फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव के स्ट्रक्चर की आपने स्टडी करी. आपको ये जो डायग्राम दिख रहा है, स्लाइड दिख रही है, उसे आप ड्रॉ करेंगे और एवरी पार्ट आपको स्टडी करना है, लोकेशन, उनका वर्क. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट, एनी प्रॉब्लम, देन डाउट सेशन क्लासेस में आप आएंगे और अपनी क्यूरीज सेटिस्फाइड करेंगे. थैंक यू.